Unfortunate news that came in this morning. In another tragic incident, 24 migrant workers were killed and 19 injured when the truck they were traveling in collided with another vehicle in Uttar Pradesh's Auraiya district. The incident took place at around 3:30 a.m. The trailer truck carrying around 50 migrant laborers was coming from Rajasthan when it collided with a van coming in from Delhi in Auraiya district. The injured have been rushed to the hospital. Taking note of this incident, Yogi government has suspended 2 SHOs posted at Auraiya police station. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also sought a report on the incident and announced an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees for the kin of those killed, while 50,000 rupees for the injured. In a tweet, Prime Minister Modi said that the incident is extremely tragic. This latest incident where stranded migrant workers have been killed in an accident while trying to return home also prompted strong reactions from the opposition leaders.
मैं मानता हूं कि बहुत दुखद और दर्दनाक घटना है। मैं श्रमिकों से बार बार अपील करूंगा, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी भी अपील कर रहे हैं कि संयम रखें और उनके यथास्थान पर पहुंचाने की पूरी व्यवस्था सरकार कर रही है। लेकिन ये हादसा वास्तव में दुखद है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने संज्ञान में लेते हुए त्वरित कार्रवाई की है।
यदि सरकार के अधिकारी उनको खाने पीने की व्यवस्था करते हैं तो वो चाय की दुकान पर जाकर चाय क्यों लेते? तो वहां से ट्रक जा रहा था, ट्रक ने उनको रोन दिया। तो यूपी के सीएम से मेरा यही कहना है कि जिन अधिकारियों ने अपनी जिम्मेवारी को बराबर नहीं निभाया है तो उनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई करें और जो लोग इस दुर्घटना में मारे गए, घायल हुए हैं, उनकी पूरी आर्थिक मदद करें।
जिस सरकार के पास 19,000 ट्रेनें खड़ी हों, उसके बावजूद भी हमारा गरीब मजदूर बेचारा पैदल चल रहा है। कभी हजारों किलोमीटर साइकिल से चलता है, कभी बस से चलता है, कभी ट्रॉली से पकड़ता है, कभी ट्रैक्टर पकड़ता है, कभी पानी के रास्ते अपने गांव घर पहुंच रहा है। क्या सरकार के अंदर संवेदनाएं नहीं थी? आज जो इन मजदूरों की मौत हुई है, पूरी की पूरी जिम्मेदारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार की है। अगर सरकार ने इसको बस और ट्रेन मुहैया करा दिया होता तो आज उनकी ये मौत ना हुई होती।
कहाँ गई बसें? कौन है इसका जिम्मेदार? रोज की घटनाओं ने उत्तर प्रदेश को दहला के रख दिया है। निश्चित रूप से मुख्यमंत्री जी पूरी तरह इस घटना के जिम्मेदार हैं। मुख्यमंत्री जी, आप केवल पेपर के हेडिंग और मीडिया के सुर्खियों में बने रहना जानते हैं। श्रमिकों के प्रति आप पूरी तरह गैर जिम्मेदाराना रवैया अपनाने का काम कर रहे हैं। अगर थोड़ी भी नैतिकता बची हो, मुख्यमंत्री जी इस्तीफा दे दीजिए। पूरा देश देख रहा है आपके इस कृत्य को, देश आपको माफ नहीं करेगा।
Shivendra Srivastava is now joining us live for the latest on this story. Shivendra, if for our viewers who have just tuned in, if you could just encapsulate how this entire accident took place and what is the action that the administration has taken so far and what has been planned going forward as well as far as this incident is concerned.
See, this very disturbing incident took place early in the morning today when it was very dark on the roads. It was around 3:30 a.m. when this truck collided with the DCM, which was coming from opposite direction, from the back side. And in this incident, more than like 20 people got injured and 24 people officially died on the spot. And they were rushed to the hospital for the treatment, and few of them are still very critical. And rest people are kept in quarantine in Auraiya district. So now investigation is on, and they have started investigating that why this incident took place. But the fact is that despite the several instructions and appeal by CM Yogi Adityanath, people are still bound to travel on open trucks and buses and other means of reaching their homes. They are saying that they have arranged buses and trains as well, but on the road the fact is different. That's why such kind of huge crowd is going on trucks and bound to face such kind of incidents. And now every political party and people are asking for the action, and government is also looking for the investigation, and after that they will take stringent action. But the fact is that they are not following, officials are not following rules, instructions set by the CM Yogi Adityanath, and they are like not stopping people for traveling like this, and that's why such kind of incidents are happening. Now compensation of 2 lakh for deceased family and 50,000 for injured family is being announced by the CM Yogi Adityanath, and 2 SSOs are suspended from that area. But the fact is that like how and why these kind of incidents are happening and no one is doing anything. This is the result of complete leniency by the administration, and the reason they are not following instruction by the government. That's why this kind of incidents are happening.
All right, leave it at that. Shivendra bringing us up to speed with the very latest right.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.